Here are simple sentences, each using one of the N words. Noble. Noble. The noble king helped his people. Nest. Nest. The bird built a small nest. Number. Number. I wrote the number on the paper. Nature. Nature. We walked through nature today. Novel. Novel. She read a new novel. Nurture. Nurture. Parents nurture their children. Native. Native. He saw a native plant in the garden. Notice. Notice. I didn't notice the sign. Navigate. Navigate. We use a map to navigate. Niche. The artist found her niche. Night. Night. The stars shone at night. Noon. Noon. We ate lunch at noon. Napkin. He wiped his hands with a napkin. Nectar. Nectar. Bees collect nectar from flowers.